Hi, this is Merlin, and today I'm gonna talk about what I learned today. And today I learned a lot of things. Um, Actually, what I learned was I built Webpack, not Webpack, Bundler before, and and I just copy this code and I just copy it and paste the code, but it's saying it's this below saying that I can put minification or put cache on it, could put the others, and so I was doing it right now. Put minification and cache. So what I did was I put minification, I put cache, and I put source map, and I put the HTTP server to send back to the HTML like the other bundler like Webpack. So I put the one I learned today. So let's see. Uh, so there's a lot of work, but I try to attach. I add a feature that adding a caching to only compile files that changes, and the key factor of this is how why we need hashing. So the reason we need to use hash because we need the hash means that if there's a lot of, even though there's a lot of inputs, it transforms into fixed string based on the input that you provided. And the thing is that the important thing is that if there's no hash on it, the browser cannot understand which JavaScript that you renewed. Example, you put abc.js and you change the abc.js, and browser need to know the browser actually already cache abc.js, but if you renew the abc.js and make it rebuild it, the sometimes the browser will not renew your abc.js because it's already cached. But the problem to solve this problem, we use we use cache control or we use hash on it, because if there's any change of the file, the hashing result will be different. So the reason why there's a weird some kind of numbers in front of the JavaScript. The reason why this is because we never name like this, but it's just hashing. I believe it's just hashing. I think it is hashing, but like I'm like 99% sure about this. So actually in the HTML there's no hash because there's no cache control on it. That which means that every time you request, you're gonna fetch you're gonna there's no gonna cache. If you request the HTML and if server responds the resources, the browser will not cache because the cache control option is no cache and no control. Max a0 must revalidate every time you HTML should revalidate. But the thing is that there's no if there's chunk on it, there's a script tag on chunk, and this is gonna be hashed, and we're gonna implement this on the bund. I already implemented this on the bundler, and so what I did was, if you look at the code, what I did was create hash with Kryptonite and put not minification. So if there's hacks create, if there's like based on the input code, because example you have a file, b file, c file. Never mind. You already have bundled file. So bundled is there's a lot of dependency graph and a lot of file, a lot of module, and combine it and combine it is kind of bundle thing, and transform into like CommonJS or ESM, and combine it and make it hash based on the code that you provided. It's simple, right? Put hash on it and based on put hash on it and add name on it. So example, I put the file name and I put hash on it. So it's gonna be like this. the result will gonna be like yeah, like this hashed name that you wanna I put output hash with JS. So that's simple, and I think this is really important. And next step I put was I already put a minification on it, but next step I put was source map. Actually, I didn't know what the source map does, but source map um, just recompile back of your minified JavaScript. So, example, you minify your JavaScript, but there's something on your JavaScript, but since it is already minified, and minified is just like there's a line, big line on it. It just minified like this, and the broad if there's error on it, you should you should able to detect it, but because it is minified, it's very hard to find which bugs on it. So which code has bugs on it. So to solve this issue, we use source map. So like this, you put source map on the JavaScript file, minified JavaScript file, and the enter the map file, the location of the map file. So this is example map file. So the map file, so rather than browser we're gonna see this minified JavaScript, and if there's map on source map on it, see the source map. See the source map instead of this. So I'm gonna give you an example of it. Hold on. Yarn dev. Let's see. Oh, it's not okay. 45. Wow. Oh, it's already done. Sorry. Not this. Yeah, index.html. And see this. As you can see, this is minified because minified. But if you see the source map, it's not minified. So you can able to see. You can able to detect which line has bugs on it. So like this. So this is the reason why if you try to see the dist file of your React directory, there's something like css.map and js.map. So this is the reason why we need minification for the decreasing resources size. But the thing is that in the development mode we are not able to dictate the which code has bugs. That is why we use source map on it, and the source map is really important because we don't put the actual URL on the HTML of the source map. It's just the URL on the JavaScript file. So this is really important. So this is source map. And next thing I added was HTTP server. I had no experience of putting HTTP server, but it was really easy. If there's option dev on it, create a server, set header, read the file, and write on file, and response to file, and this is how it looks. Actually, this is not a live server. I put the server on it, so you can see server is running on the local port 5173. So this is it. So, and next feature I'm gonna add is putting watch on it, so, like HMR, hot motor replacement. I'm gonna put the watch on it, listen to change and rebounder automatically. Yeah, and just like this, register hot when running on the dependency. I'm gonna put these features. Also import maps. I'm gonna put element. I think I'm gonna put the tree shaking feature also, because I don't know how tree shaking does. So this is what I learned today. Bye bye.